Greetings friends, you're on the Crypto Pump channel, and today I'll tell you about the 5 best ways to earn on Binance, perfect for beginners without experience. If you're just starting out or don't know where to begin, this video is for you. We'll discuss simple and accessible methods, without complex strategies or large investments. Ready? Let's get started. Binance is the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world by trading volume and variety of tools. You don't need to be an expert in trading or have deep market knowledge, just the desire to give it a try. These methods will allow you to start with small amounts or even practically from scratch, gradually increasing your capital. It's the ideal path for those who want to enter the world of cryptocurrencies with minimal risks and without unnecessary stress. Let's go. If you want to learn more about earning methods and get tips on Binance, be sure to subscribe to our Telegram channel. There you'll find up-to-date instructions, the latest market news, and a chat for beginners where you can ask questions that I'll be happy to answer. The link is in the description. If you don't have a Binance account yet, don't miss the opportunity to register via the link in the description. Be sure to use my referral code mentioned in the video to get up to a 30% discount on fees. Without this code, the discount won't apply, so don't miss the chance. For how to complete registration, verification, and top up your balance, look for separate videos on our channel. And now I'll explain how to top up your balance, so watch carefully and don't skip. Now let's get to the point. The first method is activities and giveaways. This is an easy and accessible way to earn your first money by participating in campaigns of new projects before their listing. Opportunities like these regularly appear on Binance in the Mega Drop section, making it an ideal start for beginners, even if you have almost no capital. By completing simple tasks, you can receive tokens at no cost or with minimal effort. How does it work? Open the Binance app, go to your profile, and then find the Mega Drop section. Here you will see active campaigns from projects distributing their tokens for completing simple actions. For instance, you might be asked to follow the project on Twitter, repost, join Telegram or Discord, top up your account balance, and so on. Let's look at a real example, the completed Solve protocol. The conditions involve completing several Web3 tasks. These are simple actions, such as subscribing to the project's social networks or performing a swap through a Web3 wallet. All of this can be done in the Binance app in a few minutes, and it's completely safe. What to do next? After listing, Solve tokens are transferred to your Spot wallet. Then, go to Trade, Spot, sell Solve for USDT, and secure your profit. It's safe. You're not risking your money, just completing easy tasks. Your 100 USDT will always be with you, even if you didn't manage to get the tokens, and you can use them to participate in the next campaign. Now let's look at the second method, Launchpool. This is an excellent way to earn on new projects using BNB tokens. Projects preparing for listing distribute their coins to participants, and you receive them for holding or staking BNB. This method is safe and effective for beginners, allowing you to start with minimal capital. How does it work? Launch the Binance app and go to your profile in the top left corner, then open the Earn section. There you'll find the Launchpool tab, select an active campaign. To participate, you'll need to buy BNB. Go to the trading section, find spot trading, enter BNB in the search, and purchase it with USDT. Next, head to the Launchpool. Find the gun project, click stake, and specify the amount of BNB already in your spot wallet. Click confirm, and your BNB starts working. It takes just a couple of clicks and requires no complex actions. What to do next? After some time, usually a few days or a week, gun tokens will be credited to your spot wallet. Check this in the history section under Earn. If you need to retrieve your BNB earlier, click Redeem in Launchpool. This is flexible staking, meaning you can withdraw funds at any time, all under your control. The gun tokens you receive can be sold after listing. Go to Trade, Spot, find the gun USDT pair, click Sell, and convert them into USDT. It's safe, you're not risking your principal, and the exchange guarantees the return of BNB. Now, let's consider the third method, staking, which allows you to earn passive income on your coins. This is a convenient way to earn by simply holding coins in your wallet. It's ideal for beginners who want income without active participation and prefer long-term investments. Binance offers both flexible and fixed staking options with varying yields, and you can start with a small amount. Let's explore this process in more detail. How does it work? Open the Binance app and go to the Earn section. Select the Staking tab, where you'll find a list of available coins with their annual yields. For instance, you might see Near with 25% annually or Cake with 80%. Suppose you have 100 USDT in your Spot wallet. Now go to Trade, Spot, find the Near USDT pair, enter 100 USDT and click Buy. You'll receive approximately 25 Near at an exchange rate of 4 USDT per coin. Go back to Staking, select Near, and you'll see two options. Flexible, withdrawable at any time, or fixed, for example for 30 days, without withdrawal. Choose the fixed option for 30 days at 25% annually, click Stake, enter 25 Near, check the agreement box, and confirm. Your coins will be frozen for a month and will start generating income. What happens next? Over 30 days with 25 Near, 100 USDT, you will earn about 0.52 Near in profit. 25% annually divided by 12 months equals 2.08% per month, or 208 10,000ths multiplied 25 Near. At a rate of 4 USDT per Near, this amounts to 2.08 USDT. If the coin's price rises to 8 USDT, your income will double to 4.16 USDT. You can see the accruals in the history section under Earn. At the end of the term, your 25 Near and profit will return to your spot wallet. Want to increase your income? Invest 200 USDT, 50 Near. In a month, that will be 1.04 Near, or 4.16 USDT at the same rate. To withdraw funds, go to spot, find near USDT, enter the amount, click sell, and get USDT back. It's safe. You're not losing your coins, just letting them work. Flexible staking offers lower yields, about 3-5% annually, but withdrawals are possible at any time. It's recommended to choose coins already in your portfolio to avoid unnecessary purchases and risks associated with price drops. Keep an eye on fresh opportunities in staking and other earning methods on our Telegram channel, where we post current methods for increasing income. It's a reliable way to grow your capital. Your assets will earn profits while you enjoy your leisure time. The choice is yours. Now let's move on to the fourth method, trading bots and how you can earn with them. This is an effective way to generate passive income, allowing algorithms to trade on your behalf. Bots automatically buy at low prices and sell at high prices on the spot market, making this approach safe and convenient for beginners. You don't need to monitor charts. The bot operates independently, ensuring stable results with minimal involvement. How does it work? Launch the Binance app and go to the Trade section at the bottom of the app. Click on the 3 dots in the upper right corner and select Bots. Here you'll find ready-made bots with a history of profitability. Suppose you have 100 USDT in your spot wallet. For example, there is a bot for the ADA USDT pair with an 11% yield over 18 days. Click on it and you'll see ready settings. Neutral strategy, trades within a range, long on the rise, or short on the fall. Choose the neutral strategy as it is the safest for spot trading. Click create, enter the amount, 100 USDT, and confirm the launch. The bot begins its work. It divides your funds into small orders, buys ADA at low prices and sells at high prices. What happens next? In a week, the bot can generate a 5% profit. That's 5 USDT from your 100 USDT. All results are displayed in the bot history. You can see how many trades were made and what income was earned. Suppose ADA fluctuated between 0.5 and 0.6 USDT. The bot bought at 0.5 and sold at 0.6, profiting from the difference. Want to increase your income? Invest 500 USDT. With the same 5% in a week, that would be 25 USDT. If the market moves out of range, the bot will wait for prices to return and continue working. To stop the bot, click Stop in Bot History. The remaining funds will return to your spot wallet. To withdraw funds, go to Spot, find ADA USDT, sell for USDT, and use them further. It's safe. There is no leverage or liquidation risk on the spot market. You're working only with your assets. The bot may earn less in a calm market, but in the long term, it remains profitable. For example, 11% over 18 days is equivalent to about 200% annually, considering reinvestment. Don't forget to check the bot's performance statistics. So, we've reached the most exciting way to earn in Web3, decentralized finance. The Exchange app includes a Web3 wallet, and let's explore its features in more detail. This is a convenient tool that provides access to decentralized finance right within the Exchange app. Imagine having a regular Binance account with tokens, alongside a wallet for working with DeFi projects. It's similar to MetaMask, but everything is in one place, saving you from having to install additional apps. You can easily switch between your spot account and Web3 wallet for token exchanges or participating in promotions. This saves time and simplifies the process, especially if you're a beginner. The wallet supports over 30 blockchains, allowing you to work with various coins and projects without being tied to one network. It's non-custodial, meaning your assets are fully under your control, not the exchanges. Keys are protected using MPC technology. They are split into parts and stored securely. You don't need to remember a long seed phrase. Just create a recovery password, save it, and you'll always have access to your funds. This reduces the risk of errors and enhances security. To start, you need to create a Web3 wallet. Open the Binance app and switch to the Pro version. Then go to the Assets section at the bottom of the screen. At the top, you'll see the Wallet button. Click it, go to the Web3 tab, and select Create. The process takes just a few seconds. The system generates a wallet, and it's ready to use. After creation, the app will prompt you to make a backup. Choose a convenient method such as iCloud for iPhone or a QR code for Android. You'll be provided with a recovery password. This is your access key. Write it down on paper and store it in a safe place. If your phone is lost or breaks, this password will restore your access. After that, click Backup, then OK. The backup will be ready. On the screen, you'll see the wallet address, a long string of characters, and the buttons Send, Receive, Transfer for managing tokens. Now let's fund the wallet. Open the app, go to Wallet, switch to the Web3 tab, and click Receive. The simplest way is to transfer tokens from Binance. Choose Incoming Transfer. Your spot account will appear at the top and the Web3 wallet at the bottom. For example, you need BNB for operations. Go to the assets on your spot account, find BNB, enter the required amount, and click Confirm. Within a few seconds, the tokens will appear in your Web3 wallet. You'll see them in the Assets section. It's quick and fee-free within the exchange. If there are no funds on the spot account, you can top up from another wallet, such as MetaMask or Bybit. Copy the Web3 wallet address. It appears after clicking Receive. Open MetaMask, paste this address, select the amount of BNB, send it through the BEP20 network, and wait for the transaction confirmation. After that, the tokens will appear in your wallet. Now let's move on to earning methods. The first is token swapping. In your Web3 wallet, go to the Assets section. Select the tokens you have, such as BNB, and click Swap. Specify the coin you want to exchange for, say USDT or Doge, enter the desired amount, and confirm the transaction. Within a few minutes, the swap will be complete and the new tokens will appear in your wallet. Binance occasionally holds drops, promotions where you can receive bonus tokens for swaps. Perform the exchange as part of a task, become a participant, and get a chance for a reward. After the swap, transfer the tokens to your spot account. Open the wallet, select transfer, specify the coin, for example Doge, and send it to spot. Then go to trade, select spot, find the trading pair with this coin, and sell it for stablecoins like USDT. This process takes little time and provides income without much complexity. Don't forget to check your balance before swapping. Leave a small reserve for fees. The second method is participating in token sales. These are sales of new tokens that offer the opportunity to earn by investing your assets. Binance announces projects in advance. Keep an eye on updates in the Web3 section or on our Telegram channel, link in the description. When the sale timer starts, prepare your BNB in the Web3 wallet. Once the timer ends, contribute your BNB to the pool through the wallet. Go to the sales section, enter the amount, and confirm the transaction. In a few hours, you'll receive new tokens. The amount depends on the terms and the number of participants. Next, transfer the tokens to your spot wallet via transfer, then go to trade. Spot, find the pair with these tokens and sell them for USDT. If you're short on BNB, you can take out a loan. Open Binance, click the Binance icon in the top left corner, find crypto loan, choose BNB, leave stablecoins USDT or USDC as collateral, and confirm. BNB will be credited to your spot account. Transfer them to the Web3 wallet and use them for the sale participation. After receiving the tokens, repay the loan. Go to crypto loan, click repay, pay the interest for a few hours, and retrieve your collateral. The remaining balance after selling will be your profit. The Web3 wallet provides the opportunity to earn from swaps, drops, and sales with minimal effort. These are safe methods. Now you know exactly how to earn on Binance and grow your capital in cryptocurrency. Like this video, subscribe to the Crypto Pump channel. The link to Binance with a referral code for up to 30% commission is in the description below the video. Want more guides and earning ideas? Join our Telegram channel. The link is there too. See you in the next videos. Good luck and profit to everyone. Bye.